Hi everyone, it's great to see you. I have a box from Mr. Maple here and I am excited to open it as always. So let's see what I will be adding to the garden. I love how they tell you right where to open the box, and oh, this is a very exciting box. Let's see here. Okay, you probably recognize these leaves right away. This is a Macrophylla hydrangea called turtle toes. And I have to admit that I was taken in by that name. And you can probably guess from the name turtle toes what color the blossoms are going to be. This Macrophylla is unique because it has a green flower that looks like turtle toes. So I will be keeping you updated on this. But you know, sometimes especially if you're doing cut flower arrangements, having that element of green is really nice, and I'm looking forward to adding that to the garden too. And I love a well-named plant. Turtle toes, I just could not resist. And then in here, I have Jordan, which is considered a rare Japanese maple. It is a full moon maple. Now, full moon Japanese maples tend to have larger leaves like this that are more round than a lot of the other Japanese maples here. Now, as a full moon maple, Jordan, I feel like I'm calling it a little person here. Jordan is going to be yellow when it first leaves out in the spring, kind of a neon, bright yellow in your garden. And then it turns to this lime green for summer. And then come fall, it's going to have fabulous fall orange and red colors. You know, that's one of the reasons that I love Japanese maples, that you get so many color variations. And I do not have any full moon maples, so this will be a new one for me. Now, if I plant it in the ground after about 15 years, it does get to be about 10 to 12 feet, but this is going to go into a large planter, and I'll be able to keep it on the small side for a number of years. So 2 plants that I will be adding outside and really looking forward to seeing their unique colors. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.